Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you enable Amazon Pay with your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to enable Amazon Pay in your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that giving your customers various payment options can increase conversions, especially with Amazon's brand recognition. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and enable Amazon Pay for your Stripe customers, you're going to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this button here called Payments. It looks like a wallet. Once you do that, you're going to see these options here along the top, and you want to click on Payment Methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see the Amazon logo, and off to the right, you're going to click the Turn On button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you should see this green active button next to Amazon Pay. So now when my customers go to checkout from my Stripe invoices, they're going to get the option to use their Amazon Pay. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering to enable Amazon Pay in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.